Hi everybody, today I'm reviewing this Kohler Levity bathroom door. We bought it 4 years ago. Now, of course we really like it, but there are a few things that I want to mention if you're planning to get this type of door. The first one is that after 2 or 3 showers, you will notice water stain. And of course, if you don't clean it right away, it would look bad. Here, I think we showered 4 times and this is how much it built up. The second thing that I want to mention is that this middle part, after 1 year moved, this is just attached by using two-way tape. Now, because this was moving, these black parts, or kind of the cushions, were separating as well, but they are very easy to attach. So the way that we resolved this problem was just putting two-way tape again in this middle part. Other than that, the door has been working nicely. And today I want to show you how I normally clean this type of glass. And for that, I just use one product, which is white vinegar. What I do is just spray in the vinegar and let it sit for 5 minutes. Then I use a cloth and wipe everything down both sides. This will take me maybe 10 minutes, but the doors or pretty much the glass will get very shiny. I even use the vinegar on the shower faucets and everything gets so nice and clean. The best part is that, of course, vinegar is very cheap and natural. As a quick tip, and in order to prevent the water stain to accumulate all the time, what we like to do is simply use this tool and remove the excess water every time that we shower, and that helps a lot. And this is how it looks after I clean it up. It didn't take me too long and now it's nice, clean and shiny. So this is the video for today. Don't forget to subscribe and share if you want to see more of these videos. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon. Bye!